So this is probably going to be a part series on my truck. I'm going to be installing a RYD Motorsports Ford 8-inch coilover kit on my truck. I've already got the rock lights off, front and rear, got the bed unbolted, and now I'm going to be pulling front bumper. Got to pull that off, as well as the rear bumper, so I'll probably just do a time lapse on that. Got the bumpers pulled, the front one off. Got the rear one off too. And the bed's loose, I just need help setting it off. There's the bumpers right there. Alright, now I just got the cradle set in there, but I just had to get up and take a look at it. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, here's sorta what they give you in the kit. I got a few missing pieces because I got it different shop. Obviously the cradle, I got it right there. And you got the front coil mounts, rear coil mounts, sway bar brackets, transmission mount, front track bar mount, that's the rear track bar mount, all the bars, and then you got heim joints, bolts, fitment arm, everything. And I've got axle trusses, and they're at the other shop. I got to put them on the axle still. It's probably going to finish up on this video. It's probably going to be a part series. Let me know if y'all want to see any more of it. It'd be all winter. I've got a whole lot to do to it, so let me know if y'all want a part series on this.